Hello dear friend, there is a major update for GIMP. Now GIMP 3.0 has been released. The stable version of GIMP 3.0 is now live for us, is ready for downloading dear friend. In today's tutorial, we will download the stable version of the GIMP 3.0, the new update, and we will go through all the new changes and exciting features, and we will go through the user interface of GIMP because I have been working for a long time in GIMP. So we will see how this new GIMP 3.0 is different from others after 7 years of hard workings with our volunteers. Now GIMP is ready for us, dear friend, with new changes. You know, GIMP is the one of the best free open source alternative of Adobe Photoshop. You don't have to pay anything, dear friend. You can donate whatever you want. So anybody can download GIMP and work freely, dear friend. So today we will download this new update. All steps are important. Don't skip any steps because we will go through all these new features and check the UI of GIMP. Without wasting time, let's jump into our computer to download the GIMP stable version 3.0 here. Hello dear friend, for downloading GIMP 3.0.0 we have to come to the website here. So I will give the link of the website in our description box. You can access from there. This is the version. We see the new, what's new here. Just click the, you see new release here, just, and we can read here, at long last first release of GIMP 3.0 is here, dear friend, and here you can read the all the new features highlight, but we will download and we will explore all the new features here. Stay in the class and we will take some photo and manipulate that photo inside now our new GIMP here, and just come here to download. We can download from here. Just click here. You see here you can directly download from here, Microsoft Store. From here you can download via BitTorrent. You can download if you have Microsoft Store. You can download from there. Otherwise you're downloading, you can come here to download. I will just click here Microsoft Store. So I am downloading GIMP in Microsoft Store here. You can read from here, okay, and we just click get. So preparing to download a very fast. We will be inside GIMP here, dear friend. So the file is very small. You see 290 MB something. I have just installed GIMP here. Just click. Our GIMP is now starting here. You see very fast we have downloaded GIMP here. This is actually stable version 3.0.0 here. We are initializing. Hello dear friend, we have just, you see, we have downloaded GIMP here. Hello dear friend, first major feature and update is about the UI user interface in GIMP 3.0. You see, as you open GIMP, this window will open now. You see this welcoming window, and here you see welcome. Here you can read all, and this is a personalized. You can change actually the color of your GIMP. For example, I want mid gray. It will be mid gray now. You see from here directly you can change, and you can change to light color. Now you see our GIMP is light here now, but I like dark, so it will be in dark. Okay, so this is actually major change here. And in themes also you can change legacy. It will be legacy. You see previous legacy, but I want default. Okay, just I click default. So this is the major update, and here you can contribute. About the contribution page, you can go and contribute. From here you can directly create now. It's a very convenient now to work in GIMP. And release note is, you see, these are actually the new features. We will cover all these new features, dear friend. Stay in the class till the end. Very exciting features are now in GIMP 3.0. You see multi selection of layer in the layers dock. We will select proper high pixel density display, improve graphic table support, VLN support, new soft proofing tools in the status bars, paint tools, this aligns tools, text, new text, you know, outline, etc. We will see all these strokes, borders. It's so these are exciting features now in GIMP 3.0. Redesign and reorganized field by line. You see develop work API for plugin developers. You know what's API plugins? It means it will be very convenient to develop new plugins for GIMP. Plugin API now available in CC++, Python 3, Java, Lua, Vala, and more. In all these programming languages, you can now create plugins for GIMP. improve support for many image formats. There are no various type of image formats in GIMP 3.0. So we have gone through all these major UI update in GIMP. Now directly let's go for our editing inside GIMP. So first come to directly from here you can create now. Control N is a shortcut, but no, it's very easy. Control N, and we take YouTube size 1280 by 724 thumbnail. Okay, and just create here. Everything is okay. Create. Now you see we have no the new window for creating our thumbnail here. Dear friend, now there is a major new feature which we have been waiting for last 7 and 8 years. So this feature is already available in Affinity Photo and Photoshop. This is a non-destructive editing now. Now this exciting feature is available in GIMP 3.0, and GIMP is a very advanced photo editing software. For this we have to come here. You see I have this YouTube thumbnail, this photo, and we will come here this layer. So this layer I want to apply effect here. So we come here to color here. You see color, you can take anything in color. For example, I take this hue and saturation. Okay, so once FX button will appear here, you see this FX once you click, so you can anytime change this. For example, now I change hue little bit. You see I am changing hue here, I am changing lightness here, I am changing saturation. I make saturation less like this. You see here like this, and okay. So now we don't worry about to change the order and return to all the settings here. We can directly go, and without affecting our layers, we come to here FX. You see this FX has appeared here, and we just click here. Now you see we have this layer, and now we can change actually. Edit, you have to click edit. You see there are several buttons here. Explore, click edit. Now you see anytime you can change now. Just I want to decrease the hue, for example. Okay, and this lightness I want to decrease little bit. Okay, and no saturation I want to decrease. Okay, okay, this. Okay, I am satisfied. So okay, anytime you want to change, no, I come for okay, and we just close here. So we have changed. We come to our this photo here, and now I want to apply brightness here. So I will come here, color. We can take anything, brightness. For example, I take brightness and contrast. Okay, I increase brightness now. Okay, decrease, contrast, increase, contrast, increase. Okay, 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 okay. So close. So you see we have one FX button has appeared here. You see here. This is actually closed, and this is okay. So anytime we can change here. We just come here to brightness, and we want to decrease now. Minus, you can take, you have more control here, and plus. You see, in this way, this non-destructive editing works. So now you can use this non-destructive editing features which was lacking in GIMP, and everybody was criticizing. But now, after the 7 years of hard workings in GIMP, it has been already introduced. You see, it's working. So use, dear friend, for your photo editing. It will help a lot to the professionals photo editor. Hello, dear friend. If this video is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing because of the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by subscribing, writing a comment, liking, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's go for our third exciting features inside GIMP. Next new feature is about smart guide and dynamic guide. Let's see how it works now. For example, we have these 3 photo here. Now we can just snap and equally snap, and it helps a lot while working. You have a lot of photo to edit. So this feature is already available in Photoshop and Affinity Photo snapping. For this you have to come here. You see view here. In view you have to come to here. See snap to bonding boxes. Once you click here, when box will be near, you will attach to photo. It will automatically snap like dynamically, like magnetically. So for example, snap to bonding box, we just click here. So you see now we can snap. You see here, it's a snapping now. You see one line is here. You see one line. It's a snapping. Actually, you see this is working. One line near the mouth of the girl. You see on our cursor here. It's now. You see it has snap. It is snap. You see it is so good. It's working perfectly now anytime, and it's very convenient. For example, I want to put this photo here, and it guide will, you see it's guiding me like in this line, you have to guiding. For example, I want put here, so you need see in the near the GIMP here, it's a guiding me. You can put here, it's a good position. So in this way it works. Try on your photo and you will understand. For example, here we come here, you see it's a guiding me, one line is guiding me. So this is dynamic smart guide. It's a good feature now, you see. Okay, for professional it's very good. So let's go for next feature is also regarding this. We have to come here to view and you have to click here, you see. This is a snap to bounding box. Now we have snap to equidistance, means it will snap equally, like magnetically and equally. We just click here snap to equidistance. Okay, once verify it's okay. Okay, it's clicked, it's on now. So we take this photo and you see it's now equally, you see two lines are showing me, means here it's a good perfect position, just showing GIMP is showing me. You see here in GIMP, you see here GIMP logo and here three pictures. So you see they are showing us distance 20 pixel, you see 20 pixel, and we can here okay in the same way perfect way you can check here. It's, you see here okay, 2 okay, 2 pixel, that side 2 pixel. So in this way it works. So here 2 pixel, it helps a lot if you want to equally attach two photo together, three photo together. So it's a very convenient now the major new feature is about text. Now we can add outline to our text non-destructively in GIMP, and we can change anytime. Before that, when I was using GIMP, it was very difficult to add outline to our text, and once you added outline it was very difficult to change. You can't change, you have to delete and again you have to add new text. But now this headache has gone away with this new feature. For this we have to come here, our shortcut is T for text, otherwise click here text, and now we type here. For example, we take a box like this here, and in this box I want to type here GIMP tutorial. Okay, and now I want to increase the font here 100. Okay, now our letter is big here, you can see here. So now you can anytime add, you see outline here. We come here, we have already added outline here. We can change. For example, we take here to none. You see here now we have outline feed. You see in this way you can change the outline. Now we have added on the outline, and anytime we can change here anytime if you want. Here you see field. Now it's a field color, which color I have. From here we can change the color anytime. We just select here all. Okay, and for example I take here red color, red. Okay, so we have added red color here, and we can take here fill color. Now we can add, and we can take outline here. The outline is here. In outline you can change color here. You take this color. So you see we have outline is red here, and we can change the size, line width here. You see in this way you can change. You see we can 0 4, see dark here, and fill any fill you can fill. Okay, if you click fill it will be the fill color only. So we have to take the outline and filled. It will be outline and filled here. You see outline and fill color we have. We can line width. Okay, we have increase here. Okay, in this way you can change anytime, and now it's working fine. After this new feature is working very good. Now we can change anytime. So we have to explore here. You see cap style, you can add like this style. There are various type of style here. Join style, you know this. No, you can add new join style here. You can change the meters from here. Dash patterns are here, you can add the dash patterns. Explore all these new features. Now it's a very convenient to add no stroke and fill, outline and fill in our text inside GIMP. Okay, you see now this, because we have changed here, we can take this here. You can change, we have changed here, you see, and in this way it's a work. You can make size bigger here, 140. You see we have big size here. We have changed the stroke. Try this feature, and it's a good that you can change anytime. Next major change and feature is now GIMP color space. Now GIMP works on sRGB color space. It's good for accuracy for your photo, more professionalism, and for printings. Let's see how does it work. For example, we come here, we select this layer, this photo, and we come here to color. And color, just click color balance, any color you can change. Now see cyan, magenta, y, and here, and you can know this merge. If you don't want this, use, you can merge filter. Now you see once you merge, if enable, the filter is immediately merged. Otherwise it becomes editable non-destructive filter. So if you want to work traditionally, you can just click here merge filter, this new features added, and okay, if enable, the filter immediately merged. Otherwise it will go. So just unclick. Now you can change here. You see the cyan, you can change photo. You see magenta, you can change, use anytime. Yellow, So we have no freedom, more freedom on color space for color accuracy inside GIMP after introducing this sRGB color space in GIMP. sRGB is more standard color space for consumers and consumer devices. In this update, GIMP has worked a lot too much hard work for improving color space. Now the result is now before us. Now the exciting feature is that you can apply layers effect to layer groups, and you can now in GIMP 3.0 select multiple layers and works together. It's actually the exciting and long awaited features. For this we have to come here. You see, I want to create a new group here, create a new group. So you see, no new layer group we have created, and shift, just click shift, and I want to select these two photo. Just click shift and drag this to this layer group. So you see, now we have these two photo in this layer group, and now we can directly apply any effect to this layer group, and effect will be applied to both of these photo. For this we just come here to color, take anything like color balance. Okay, now we apply. You see, it's applying to both photo. You see here and here too. For example, magenta I take. You see, it's applying here in both the photos. You see here. So it's a good. No, there are lots of possibilities after these new features. If you want to take apply to all layers this effect, you can just click to layer groups, make a layer group here, and just click shift on your keyboard and select and drag to this layer group, and now you can change anything. We can decrease magenta like this here. For example, I want to change. You see everywhere it's changing here in this photo. So multiple layers, you can work with multiple layers in the layer groups. You can drag it and it can change. Exciting features, new features. We know the advanced GIMP is available here 3.0. Other cool feature is now you can copy any effect to any photo and any layer. It's a very convenient now. For example, I come here to this layer and I want to add color balance. For example, here we'll just take color here, hue and saturation. I want to add. Okay, so hue I have added. You see, like in this way, hue and lightness and saturation here. Okay, we have added. So we have effect here. Okay, now we can copy this effect and paste to this layer, any layer. So we just here control C copy, and we come to this layer and control V paste. So you see, we have pasted this effect here in this photo. So now you can paste this effect to another photo, and very conveniently it's working, and you can change anything. Another long awaited demanded feature is about you can add guide of your photo. For this you have to come here. You see here, and we just drag here, and we can add guide here. In the same way, you come here, you see this diamond point, we can click here, and in this way you can add guide. Actually, this is also cool new tweak and new features, very convenient to for like snippings features and guide features. Another small feature has been added to gradient tools. You have to just click G. This window will appear here. And now you can see here, we have actually options for, you see, a non-extend, non-truncated. We click here. In this way, you see here you can see, and you can change here to non-extend. You see, now it's a non-extend. Actually, you see non-extend. Not, it's not extending here. Explore these features. You see triangular waves here. You see triangular waves like this. In this way, you can use this gradients features now. So we have this non-extend, non-trunky. These are the new features. Now the small changes is about the scissors intelligent tools. Before it was scissors intelligent tool. Now it's a scissors select tool. You see here, it's a just scissors select tool now. So it was confusing for users. So it has changed to only scissors select tool. This is a small change here. Hello dear friend, these are the main features which has been added here. So you see all about the good selection tools now. CMYK supports for better plugin support, plugin scripting support for plugin developers. And now so there are lots of things which have been added. So for multi-layer selection tools have been added, and non-destructive editing features has been added. So we have applied all new features here. There are lots of small features which we can't cover in this video, but we will make a new tutorial for that. Write in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want about GIMP 3.0. I will make and apply this feature, and tell me how do you use all these features, or how these features are helpful to you in your everyday life, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe these channels and share this video to those friends who are actually in the need of the tutorial of GIMP 3.0. It will help them a lot. Take care. Bye.